saw in my previous projects how much I like making my own clothing from scratch since I was a teenager, and because I can't make shoes, I like modifying them, beautifying them, as well as making my own jewelry. Besides purchasing beautiful pieces of jewelry as you saw in other projects. So this is a new project inspired by the beautiful gems you saw there, and what I used for this project was 0.45mm tiger tail wire, which is very important, and I really like this type of wire. I also used several types of pliers. You are going to see them soon, all of them. Sterling silver findings. I used 2mm creams and 3mm car loads. I'm going to take you through everything pretty soon. The red garnet findings, I had them in the house for quite some time, and 7 of them. And pink magnesite, aquamarine, red coral and green agate, because I thought this is a nice project with all these colors. So let's start making the earrings. So for this I used the tiger tail wire as you saw there. I like the quality because as you can see there is twisted, so this ensures its resistance is stronger than other type of wires. And I already put there the 2mm creams, which is going to keep the wire in place. Now we are securing it with a type of plier, and there is there a spacer ball of 3mm. Now we are going to put the pink magnesite beads, which I purchased them from a seller online at a very low price. They are very striking, as you can see here. I really love this color, and I think the 4 different type of colors complement each other because the aquamarine and the green agate are calming this very strong pink magnesite. I decided to use spacer balls between all these gems, and the set of gems was purchased from Amazon, and you saw it in my other project. I like using spacer balls, and they are sterling silver because they space these items and they make everything appear longer while giving it some kind of style, a beautiful style. Everything is sterling silver here, and as I said, I think these colors are complementing each other. In the end, I like attaching this calot to cover the crimp, and you need to use a combination plier in order to secure these sterling silver crimps. The calot, they tend to get destroyed pretty easily, this sterling silver. You have to be very careful securing them in their own place. And this is the earring. Look how beautiful it is. I attached the last beads, again sterling silver. They're pretty long, and I'm going to make a bracelet and a necklace in a similar style. I attached more beads, and I used there a sterling silver wire, and I twisted it with 2 type of pliers in order to attach it to the earrings. That was the original design I wanted to make for the necklace, but afterwards I changed my mind, and I'm going to take you through this later on. This is the set of stones I got initially from Amazon and inspired this project, and these 2 findings here, I purchased them online, one for the necklace, the other one for the bracelet. Now let's make the bracelet, and similarly to the earrings, I'm going to use this tiger tail wire. I will use spacer beads, and then I will secure them with those 2mm creams. I'm going to attach as well those leaves, and look how beautiful it is now when it is finalized. I really hope this is going to inspire you too. I really like this type of bracelets. I purchased lots of bracelets similar to this, and I'm very happy I was able to find online these sterling silver endings in order to attach to my bracelet. It adds some kind of je ne sais quoi. Now let's make the necklace. And for the necklace I used these garnet pieces. I had 7 pieces in the house, and of course I used the pink magnesite, the aquamarine, and everything was spaced using these spacer balls of 3mm, and of course using the creams in order to secure everything in place. This is very important because you have to secure everything, and is important also the quality of the wire. And I really love this tiger tail wire. Is only 0.45mm, which is very important. There are lots of wires out there ranging from 0.33 I saw to over 1mm. So you have to think of what kind of wire you want to use when making your project. Also, how many beads you want to use, because more beads you are using, heavier your project is going to be. Now, I decided to use this sterling silver wire in order to bring all this garnet together with the other beads, and in the between I'm using the red coral and securing everything with the creams. Later on I'm going to add the calotte, and look how beautiful it's looking already. I really love this. I started working at night. That's why you are seeing here this magnifying glass with LED light, and is magnifying everything, because after 5 o'clock is quite dark. Here in London is February, so I had to use the LED light and to magnify everything. And I'm now making the back of the necklace, which is going to go around the neck. So I'm securing everything, as I said, with creams and later on calotte, and I'm very happy the way it looks. I used lots of red coral beads, and ending with the aquamarine right at the back, only 1 stone. Of course you can choose a different design. This is my design, which suits my face, my hair and my eyes. So I really like this contrast. Plus I always loved pink. And there you have it. This is the end of the project. I hope as ever this inspired you too in making similar items. And it's very important, as I said, to think of the wire and everything and the beads, because a certain type of wires are not going to pass through the beads. So think about this when making your project. As ever, I hope this inspired you too. Thank you for watching and have a very nice day. Bye.